Welcome to No Silly Questions, the show where I, Gillian Bruce, attempt to answer any question you have about Salesforce, no matter how silly you think it is. And if I can't answer it, well, I will tap into our incredible Trailblazer community where I will find an expert to get your answer. Today, we have a question from Eric. Eric, what's your question?
My name's Eric from Minneapolis, Minnesota. How do you create sandboxes when you start at a professional org?
Great question, Eric. You know, I have the perfect person to help answer this for you, and that is LeeAnne Rimel, my fellow admin evangelist. She has an incredible breadth of knowledge about all things Salesforce and demos. LeeAnne, what do you have for Eric?
That's a great question. I'm going to show you how you can spin up a new sandbox in your professional edition environment. Let's take a look. The first thing I'm going to do is go to Setup. Now, all of these steps are only going to work if you're an admin in your environment, but I'm going to go to Setup and say Sandbox, and it can also be found under Environments. This page is going to tell me what sandboxes I have access to and how many. So professional environments have 10 developer sandboxes. So that means I can generate a new developer sandbox because I said I had 9 available. We're going to call this one February UAT. We're going to do some user testing. This gives me a little more insight into the types of sandboxes. Basically, developer sandbox is going to have all of your configuration and your metadata, so like your objects, your fields, and then a full sandbox is going to have all of that plus all of your data as well. We're going to go ahead and click Create. Now that new sandbox is generating right now. It's in the queue. So we can't log into it just yet, but I already have one here that I want to show you how to log into. So I've got my sandbox that's generating. I've got my sandbox I already created. They're both type developer. And if I click log in, then I can go ahead and check out my sandbox. I'm going to click log in here. Now the username is going to be a regular production username plus the name of the sandbox, but your password is going to be the same as production. So then when I log in, I can see my new sandbox. And the important thing to remember is there's the banner at the top that shows you what environment you're in. So always check this if you're making changes. And on the left, I can see all of my apps from my production environment. And that is how you can create a new sandbox in your professional edition environment. Thanks for the question.
That was great. Thank you so much, LeeAnne, and thank you, Eric, for your question. I hope LeeAnne's amazing demo helped answer it. And if you're sitting there thinking, I've got a question about Salesforce, it might be a little silly. It's not, I promise you. Send them my way. I want to know your questions. You can find me on Twitter. You can find me on the Trailblazer community. I want to know, what do you want to know about Salesforce? With that, I hope you have a great day and we'll catch you next time in the cloud.